Good morning. Hello, what's up madlang people? Good morning team baby, our team founder, Sir Tony Towers. Thank you very much sir sa yung suporta sa amin, lalo na sa ating premiere. At may gigreet tayo ngayon na happy birthday na si ba yun? Si That's Pie. Long time no see, That's Pie. Hindi ka kasi active na ngayon, hindi ko na nakikita yung mga upload mo. Bakit? Tagal-tagal na natin na hindi tayo nagkausap sa team pa noon, sa team kiti-kiti pa. So greet kita ng happy birthday ngayon. I hope you have many more birthdays to come and more uploads and more active kahit lang paminsan-minsan para makita ka namin. So I hope you have many more birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday now. Enjoy your little day. And I hope you are more power to come and more revenues in your YouTube channel. So, thanks God na dinagdagan na naman ng isang taon ang ating age ngayon. So, how young you are now. Happy birthday to you, and God bless you, and take care always. Bye-bye. Mama, chup-chup.